Hey guys, no consistency here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Google Home Hub in charcoal. So let's take a look at the box, see what we have. So 2 microphones at the top along with a light sensor. No camera though. So that has upsides and downsides. 7-inch touchscreen, a full speaker, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And then there's a bunch of different things that you can do with it. So you can use your calendar, your maps, you can check your Nest cameras, watch some YouTube, and then it even works as a photo frame. So, alright, let's get it open. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me for a minute. We're getting there. Alright, there it is. It's very small. I mean, I have decently sized hands, but it's very small. So it does have a white, soft touch bottom, and that gray back with the G logo. Then there's the mute switch and a volume rocker on the back. Alright, and then on the front it's just a white screen or white bezel. There's those 2 mics and the light sensor. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what else it comes with. Alright, so you have your quick start guides. Be safe. Let's get started. Yeah. Pretty basic. And then you have the power plug, which, yeah, same circular plug from the Google Homes, or the Google Home Minis. So if that gave you a problem before, well, it's back again. No USB-C or micro though, just one of the round ones. Alright, so I just plugged it in, and it's just booting up for the first time. So far the screen doesn't look too bad. Actually looks pretty good. Yeah, you can see some slight
Welcome to
pixelation.
Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, and then I am recording actually on my Pixel 3 XL, so I will be right back with another phone to set this up. Alright, so right now I'm at my parents' house, so I'll just be adding it onto theirs. So we'll hit add. So we're done with the phone now. I finished setup.
Welcome to your Google Home Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and monitor cameras. like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display the best and latest photos taken by you and your loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. You can also search for photos by voice. Hey Google, show me my photos from Hawaii. And aloha. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
Alright, so that was that. Good afternoon. Explore more ways your assistant can help you. Okay, and this is just sort of like the demos that you all see in the store. So let's go back. And yeah, like you can see there, that's my it's me and my friends. That's Hardcore Harry. He has a YouTube channel. I'll link it below. Yeah, it looks like that's pretty much it. I might review this after I've used it for a bit, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. I know there's not really any of you that watch this channel, but hey, if you watch it and you want me to do a review on it, let me know. Anyway, I hope that's good. I hope the audio through the Pixel 3 XL came through okay. I know that it's been having some pretty bad mic problems. But yeah. Anyway, have a nice day.